Hello, P2. Good morning. This is Teacher Rina, and welcome to our first video class in English grammar. Today, I am happy to share our next topic, which is in Lesson 8 of Module 4. That can be found on page 34 of your student book. But before that, let us review our previous lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm going to share my screen to you. Okay. Okay. Welcome. So this is our first video class. So I hope you enjoy this. Fish and chips. If you remember last time, we have discussed about the famous food in UK. No? Let's see. Okay. Famous food in UK or United Kingdom. What are the famous food that we have learned? What are the favorite food that they eat? Okay, look at this one. Okay, they have beans also. Hot dogs, pizza also. And their number one favorite is fish and chips. They are well known in fish and chips. And there are lots of shops and restaurants that they offer this kind of food because that is one of their favorites. Okay, now let us have some vocabularies about food. Okay, we have follow after teacher. Fish, fish. Rice, rice. Chicken, chicken. Noodles, noodles. Soup, soup. Coconut, coconut. Okay, again. Follow after teacher. Let's have some sounds on this. Fa, fa, fish, fish. Again, fish. Next, ra, ra, rice, ra, ra, rice. Again, rice. Next, ch, ch, chicken, ch, ch, chicken. Again, chicken. Follow after teacher. N, n, noodles. N, n, noodles. Again, noodles. S, sa, soup. Sa, soup. Again, soup. Next, coconut. Coconut. Again, coconut. Okay, so those are some vocabularies that we have learned last time. Now, we have done also this practice conversation. Okay, again, repeat after teacher. Practice conversation. Okay, we have this question. Okay, this question we can use in asking about food. For example, this is the question. Repeat after teacher. Do you like fish? Again, do you like fish? Okay, that is the question. Do you like fish? You have two options of answer. If you like it, this is the answers. Okay. If you like the food, the fish, you can say, yes, I do. Again, follow after teacher. Yes, I do. Okay, and if you don't like the food, if you don't like the fish, this is your answer. No, I don't. Again, follow after teacher. No, I don't. Okay, that is our practice conversation. Next, we are going to go on our lesson 8. In lesson 8, we are going to study about Asian countries. Okay, welcome to Asian countries. Okay, what are the food that we can found in Asian countries? Oh, it looks nice. What kind of food is this? Oh, it's a laksa soup. It's a kind of soup. Okay, laksa is a noodles with coconut soup and seafood. It is popular in, oh, teacher, from what country is it? No? Okay, again, let us read. What is laksa soup? Laksa is noodles with coconut soup and seafood. It is popular in, let's see. Oh, what flag is this? Last time we have learned the different countries, the flags. Nah? What country is this? Can you guess now? Let's see. It's from Singapore. So laksa soup is popular in Singapore. Okay, that's good. Let's see the other countries. Oh, what kind of food is this? It's a gado-gado. Okay, gado-gado is one of the well-known dishes from, oh, from what country is it? Do you have an idea? It is vegetable salad with peanut sauce. Again, let's read. Gado-gado is one of the well-known dishes from, it is vegetable salad with peanut sauce. Okay, let's see from what country is it. Oh, wow. Do you know what flag is that? Whose flag is that? Okay. It's from Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia. In Indonesia, gado-gado is one of the well-known salad. No? It's a vegetable salad with peanut sauce. And it's yummy. Okay, next. Okay, teacher Venus' favorite food in Thailand. Who can guess what is my favorite food? Let's see, Teacher Rina. Oh, it's Teacher Rina. That's me before I cut my hair. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, that is Chanya. She's thinking, is that real, Teacher Rina? Okay, let's see. What is Teacher Rina's favorite Thai food? Okay, my favorite Thai food is, oops, what is that? Anyone who can guess? That is papaya salad. Again, papaya salad. Okay, what is the other one? Oh, this is a really delicious food. That is one of my favorite. This is a cow soy soup. I love this. I really love this. Okay, so that is our topic for today. See you again on our next video. And Teacher Rina says, thank you. Bye-bye, P2.